Take a damn good picture, brother. Brother Aaron, look,
We are
zoom
looking
in right
at
now
the
and take
most
an awesome
amazing buck right now, just walking around, chasing his little lady. It's like Lake Rut here or something, and he just doesn't even care, Levi. He just doesn't even care that we're watching him. It's the most amazing thing. Aaron's freaking out.
He's chilling, his tail's down.
That is huge.
He's just
How
walking
many
around.
point is he, Aaron?
No, but
Oh,
it's
it's a mule deer, so you go by like 4x4
we've never seen a buck not run,
4x5.
you know.
You can zoom around with that little thing in the corner.
Where?
You should like just rotate it up or down.
Are you videoing, Shay?
Yes.
Right on the corner of the that little
We're
thing.
videoing
There she is,
now,
bud.
even.
Go get her. Okay, go
Oh.
get her.
National Geographic.
He's gonna follow her.
Oh, here's another little one coming
Look
up
how
on this
prissy
side.
she's walking to.
Look at him after
Do you
her.
think I could pet that little one walking?
I think it would probably not let you actually
Probably
touch
come
it.
at you.
Like you could try.
Oh, we're just heading over to Rachel's mom's for
That's
Oh,
just.
here comes the little
You guys-
baby.
Everybody.
Y'all
There's a
see?
little baby.
Are y'all seeing the video I'm
That's
shooting?
just, oh, Shay, awesome.
Awesome.
I'll put it.
Beautiful deer.
I'll put it up on our website, Facebook.
Take a zoom.
Yep.
I didn't know it was like this anywhere.
You totally used to this?
Oh
Rach?
yes. Yeah, totally. Like they just come in our yard and like sleep in it.
I just can't believe that big. Where we are, they would just
I
shoot
wonder
them.
why this doe would come around. It looks young, though.
They're
Yeah.
very interesting because their bodies are smaller than what I'm used to seeing.
Yeah, that buck, I mean,
He's still not a big deer.
not that big, but
Oh, look at him. Here's another one.
ooh, is he making
He's
a
just so
move?
pretty, see? He's old. He's at least 4 or 5 years old.
Yep, sitting here in the road watching the deer.
At a very nice corner for someone to slide
Oh,
into.
look at him, the snow off.
Yeah, it's just. She probably is. Is your mom home waiting for us right now? Yeah, okay. Yeah, she is.